Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We have a dataset here with laptop brand, month and quantity columns, and at the end you see total quantity which is around 54k. If I click on the total cell, you can observe the formula used is sum formula. Now the question is, if we use sum formula and apply filter on any of the laptop brand, will the total changes? Let's see putting a filter on this data. Select the data, put filter, and let's select Dell brand. Click OK. The total number doesn't change, right? If I total the numbers for Dell manually, it says 22.6k, not 54k. That means if you use sum function or sum formula, the total sum amount will not change on filtering the data. Now let's replace sum formula with another formula and see if we can get the sum or total only for the filtered cells or filtered rows. Now a different formula has been used to calculate the total, and you can see the total which is given here is the total of only filtered cell 22683, 22683. Let's change the filtering criteria and check only for January month, right? So for the month January, the total quantity sold is 13,245, which is shown here. That means the new formula that we have used is giving us the total only for filtered rows. Now you might be very curious to know what is that formula and how to use that, correct? That formula is nothing but the subtotal formula. If I click on the total cell, you can see the formula used is subtotal formula. So what subtotal formula does is, it will give you the sum of only visible cells or only the filtered data. It will just ignore the hidden as well as the filtered data. So now how to put subtotal formula is equal to subtotal. When you open bracket, lot of options will be given, right? So what you need to select now is 9, which is basically for the sum, comma, and you have to select the sum range, which is basically the quantity. In this example, select quantity, close bracket, hit enter. Now you have the total amount. If I select everything, you can see 54,911, and if I try to filter on any other, let's say Lenovo, I'll get only the total for Lenovo. Now you may ask, is there any shortcut using which I can quickly input subtotal formula? The answer is yes. This is how you can do it. Put filter on anything first. Come to the cell where you want to have total. Press Alt equals to. It will automatically take subtotal formula. But if you don't filter and try to put the same shortcut, that is Alt equals to, it will take sum formula, not the subtotal formula. So point to be kept in mind is, if at all you want to use Alt equals to for subtotal formula, please make sure you have a filter applied on your dataset. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like the content of the video, please hit the like button, share the videos, and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, happy learning.